right now at 5.
After multiple challenges to this law before the Supreme Court, the Affordable Care Act is here to stay.
A critical victory for President Obama's signature legislation.
Health care is not a privilege for a few, but a right for all.
Tonight, what a Supreme Court decision means for you. And this was the latest attempt to get rid of a law that conservatives say has been a disaster, but which millions of Americans have called a lifesaver.
Today, those people in Florida and all over the country are breathing a sigh of relief. They will continue getting money from the government to help them pay for their health coverage. And no state is more directly impacted than Florida. CBS 4's Natalia Zaya is live at an Affordable Care Act office in West Miami-Dade with more on today's decision. Natalia.
Well, an estimated 1.5 million Floridians rely on federal subsidies to help them pay for Obamacare when they sign up at places like this one at Mall of the Americas and, of course, if they sign up online. But the Supreme Court's ruling has given many of them some new peace of mind. Some conservatives, though, are furious about the ruling. In a 6-3 ruling, the Supreme Court upheld a key element of President Obama's Affordable Care Act, the rule allowing subsidies for people who buy insurance on the federal marketplace. President Obama welcomed the decision, saying the Affordable Care Act is here to stay.
As the dust has settled, there can be no doubt that this law is working. It has changed and, in some cases, saved American lives. It set this country on a smarter, stronger course.
Plaintiffs argued only states that have set up their own exchanges are entitled to subsidies for lower-income people, meaning up to 7 million Americans could have lost those funds, including those in Florida who rely on the subsidies, like Mike and Carol Driscoll.
I didn't even have a plan B. If this didn't pass.
Carol is now breathing a sigh of relief, knowing the subsidy she receives of $841 a month will continue, allowing her to afford insurance that will cover brain surgery her husband needs.
I said, we're safe. The subsidies are safe. We can have our insurance. You can have surgery. We can go on.
Chief Justice John Roberts wrote in the majority opinion, Congress passed the Affordable Care Act to improve health insurance markets, not to destroy them. Many of his fellow conservatives, though, are upset by the ruling.
I disagree with their decision. I believe Obamacare is bad for Americans, bad for the country.
Jeb Bush sent an email to supporters using the decision as a springboard to ask for emergency campaign donations for his run for the presidency, writing in part, "We need a president who will repeal and replace Obamacare with a conservative solution." This is the second time the court has kept the president's health law alive. Using the acronym for the Supreme Court, Justice Antonin Scalia, in his dissent, said, quote, "We should start calling this law SCOTUS care." Also today, Governor Rick Scott, who's been one of the most fierce opponents of Obamacare, announced he is dropping his lawsuit against the Obama administration over Medicaid expansion and hospital funding. He says the Obama administration met his demands for the funding without him having to expand Medicaid. At this point, though, he's not issued a direct statement about the ruling. Natalia Zaya, CBS 4 News.
Thanks, Natalia. Well, Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi has issued a direct statement about the ruling. It says the Affordable Care Act continues to be the most heavy-handed federal health care law in our nation's history, and today's decision in the King versus Burwell case does nothing to alleviate the harms the law will continue to cause.
And now our team coverage heads to Washington, D.C., and CBS 4's Craig Boswell.
So, Craig, you've been at the Supreme Court building all day. Tell us about reaction when this ruling came down.
Rick and Erica, good evening to you. Inside the courtroom, there was an audible ooh from particularly the press gallery as Chief Justice John Roberts came in, announced that there was a decision. Then there was about 7 to 10 minutes of describing the questions inside the arguments before even getting to what the decision actually was. So there was high drama and tension for that 7 to 10 minutes as this is the decision that people were waiting to hear. So everyone's on the edge of their seats until he actually said what that decision was. Outside here, there was a spontaneous cheer from those supporters of the Affordable Care Act when Chief Justice announced what the 6-3 decision was. They began to burst into cheers and chants of the Affordable Care Act is here to stay. And then you see people running outside the courthouse here, carrying the actual paper of the decision to the various live shot locations, guys.
All right, Craig Boswell reporting live for us in Washington, D.C. Thank you.
Well, we have heard the numbers of Floridians who will continue now to get those federal subsidies as a result of today's ruling. That number, 1.3 million, most of them here in South Florida, who have bought their insurance through healthcare.gov, the website there that allows you to buy it. But there are many others who are impacted too. The Affordable Care Act ensures that people who have pre-existing conditions cannot be denied coverage. That's about half of all Floridians. In fact, half of everybody in the country. It also allows young adults to stay on their parents' plans until they're 26. 224,000 people in Florida alone. That's according to government numbers. And 848,000 more Floridians would get insurance if Florida lawmakers accepted federal money to expand Medicaid, something that they have not shown a willingness to do.